So once you get your chain the length that you want it to be, your goal is to take the ends and connect them together so they form a circle. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that your chain stitch is laying flat. So as you can see right here, my chain is flat. Sometimes students will tend to get it twisted. If you end up twisting it, it's going to be a lot harder to crochet. So just go ahead and lay your chain flat. I like to put my finger on the last chain to hold it in place, and then run your fingers along just to make sure everything stays flat and does not twist. Make sure you go really slowly, because like I said, if you end up twisting it, it'll be a lot harder to crochet, and you'll probably have to undo it and start over. So just lay it flat, run your fingers along. You might have to do it a couple times just to make sure everything is okay. Okay, so now you're going to take your two ends. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. And you're going to do your slip stitch. So basically, to do the slip stitch, you just take your hook, go through that last chain, and then I put my yarn over, and I'm just gonna pull it through both of those hooks, and then it'll be connected. From there, you just chain up 1, 2, and 3. So now I've got a little chain going. And then I'm going to do my double crochet. To do a double crochet, I put my yarn over, like so. And then I'm going to go into the loop that is closest. So if you can see, this is where my chain originally came out, so this would be the next loop. I will pull my yarn up, so I have 3 loops on the hook. I will yarn over again. I'm going to go through 2. Now I have 2 loops left. Yarn over one more time and go through. So that will count as my first double crochet. After that, I'm going to chain 1, yarn over. This time I'm going to skip a stitch. So this would be the next one that I'm going to skip, and I'm going to go straight into this one. So now I've got 3 again, and I'm just going to repeat the double crochet, yarning over, going through both of those loops, yarning over one more time, and going through the last 2. So now I should have a space. So you can see these first 2 are right next to each other, but then I chained and I skipped a space, so now I've got a space. And then I'm just going to repeat this process, chaining 1. I will yarn over, skip 1, and double crochet into the next loop by yarning over and pulling through. Now I have 3. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now I've got 2 left. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. So you can start to see the pattern start to form. And then you're just going to keep doing this until you get back into the end, and then you will finish it off by slip stitching just like we did to start it.